Hello guys, this is the review number 1. So I will try to go over first 2 questions and your job is to complete rest of the questions. Okay, so I will try to make this video really short, so please pay attention and let's get started. So here, first one, it says, what is the solution set of the following inequalities? So if you have a paper with you, the thing that you gotta highlight is a solution set and an inequality. And obviously, there are so many things that you can do using, if you want to do it by hand, but we're going to use decimals. This is what we're going to put into the decimals, but again, we cannot put this one into the testing decimals. So what we're going to do is, we will just put as it is, like 6x squared plus 11x. But for this one, we're going to flip the sign. Minus 4x, instead of positive 3, I'm going to put minus 3. Does that make sense? So this is what we're going to put inside the decimals. So let's put it. Here we go, decimals. So I'll put 6x squared plus 11x minus 4x minus 3. So we have this. We got negative 1.5 and 0.333. The problem is we gotta change this one into fraction. So as you can see, negative 1.5 is negative 3 over 2. So I'm gonna write this one down in decimals. And then the other number, so here, I forgot to do this. So I have to draw the line. So left, negative 3 over 2. And on the right, I have 0.333. which is 0.333. If you put this one into the decimals, you're gonna get ugly ones. So always delete the last number, but I don't have to because it's the same number. And I will keep pressing 3 until I get what I want, which is 1/3. Good. So I have to choose one number between these two. And obviously, as you can see, 0 is between these two lines. So I'm gonna use a 0, right? So here we go. So this one, so I'm going to plug in 0 to see if it goes to the outside or inside. Because if you have a graph like this, it's going to either shade it inside or outside, right? Just we cannot do this. So I'm going to put this one into our original equation always, not this one. This one, we only put it on the decimals, the one that I highlighted. So here, instead of x, now I'm going to plug in 0. So 6, 0 squared plus 11 0 is greater than or equal to 4, 0 plus 3. As you can see, I just copied this one down here, but just instead of x, I plugged in 0 because that's what we put. So if you are in class, that's what you're going to put inside a calculator and put true, false. If it is true, it goes to go inside. If it is false, it goes outside. But here, I'm going to do it by hand. 6 times 0 is the 0. This is the 0. So I get 0 is greater than or equal to 4 times 0 is 0. I have 3. 0 is greater than or equal to 3. Is that true or false? False. So this one, I'm doing it by hand. Okay, but you can use calculator, obviously. That's going to be easier. So if it is false, it goes to the outside, which means it's going to be or statement. So I will cancel this 2. So your answer is going to be one of these two. So here we go. X is, always copy this direction, less than negative 3 over 2. Or x is, copy this direction, greater than, for this, 1/3. So as you can see, it's less than or equal to because it has a less than or equal to sign. So which one is the 3 over 2? This one. Okay. Actually, I could have eliminated this one already, so answer is going to be easy, but whatever. It's going to be it's easy like this. So I'm going to do. So let's do this one. Same thing. Find the solution set of the following absolute value inequalities. So that's what you need to highlight. So let's do this one. Again, you cannot put this one into the decimals. So what you're going to put is, instead of positive 7, you just flip the sign, minus 7 like this, okay? You don't even have to put this. You can just put this one to decimals, just flip the sign, not this, okay? So let's do this. Question number 2. So this, 2 absolute, wait, what the heck? What the? So 2 absolute value of x minus 2 minus 1 minus 7. So yes, we got this one. We have 6 and negative 2. So in here I got negative 2 and 6 with a closed circle. So I can choose any number. As you can see in the decimals, I can choose 0, 2, 4, like any number, but obviously 0 is gonna be the easiest one. But in fact, guys, just use calculator. In this case, I will just use positive 2 because I know that's gonna be easy for me. But for you, you might want to use the 0 on your calculator or whatever. So for 2 minus 2 minus 1 is greater than equal to 7. The common mistake that I always see is people tends to use put this one into the decimals, like this one. No, you don't put this one. Always, just like here, always when you get if you choose one number, you plug it back into the original equation, okay? So put this one into the calculator in your, like, not menu 3-1, just true false, and you're gonna get either true or false, okay? If you wanna do it by hand, just like me, like 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, so 0 times 2 is a 0, so I have negative 1 left over, because that will disappear. Negative 1 is greater than or equal to 7. Is negative 1 is greater than equal to 7? No. So this is false, which means it goes to outside. So which one is a negative 2 and 6? Okay, so it should be negative 2 and 6. So I have to get rid of this and this, right? So it's go outside. So it's an or statement, which means I know it's going to be C. But for you, I will go over how to do this. So if you want to, as you can see, it goes outside, right? So what you got to do is this. You write x for the negative 2. Do you see it goes to pointing to this direction? Or x is, do you see for 6 is pointing to the right direction? Like that. So that's how you do, which is C. And remember, if you get true, which I didn't get, then graph goes to inside like that. Let's say this is 2 and 6 in that case. In that case, you put x in the middle and you put inequality symbol like that. Just don't forget about that, okay? So that's it, guys. I believe you guys will be able to get other questions done by yourself. If you have any question, let me know. See you guys. I love you as always. Bye.